In today's video, it's dinner time. No better way to finish off a fantastic weekend with fellow YouTube creators and supporters than a fantastic dinner here in beautiful Helen, Georgia. What's up, YouTube, and welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. I'm Eric B, and today we're in Helen, Georgia, and I'm about to go into the Hofbrauhaus, some fellow YouTube creators, and we're gonna have a good old time. So just follow along and let's go.
I got my leader hose. I got my leader hose. You need your leader hose. So do you.
You got this fun group of people right here. Fun group of creators right here. And again, we got the man in the leader hosing.
Guess what? I got my leader hose. I got my leader hose. You need your leader hose for June.
Yes, sir.
Right.
I do. Here, we got this fun group of people right here. This fun group of people right here.
Thank you, sir.
Woo! Woo! And we're bigging. It's gonna be the only one. I don't think I'm getting the number 2.
Alright, everybody give my hand. Okay? Yeah, got all these people watching on live stream, okay? So tell us about you and your channel, what you're all about and everything. Recognize the supporters. We have Ryan Donahue. Ryan, thanks for always being there as well. Okay. We also have Ari and Corn. Okay. All right. So thank you very much for always being there, and that's really cool.
Far, I would say the potato skins are really good. I'm not gonna finish them. At least I'm not gonna finish them right now because there's a lot of cholesterol right there. That's a lot. Beer's good halfway through it. And then food, steak, ribeye is good. Not the best I've had, but it's good. You know, roasted carrots are solid. Mashed potatoes, solid meal. The food was solid. Really nice experience though. I love the place. Overall, I'll probably give it a 8 or 9 out of 10. The food itself, maybe a 7 out of 10 maybe, but the experience itself has been fantastic. A lot of great people here having a wonderful time, as you can see, so really enjoyed it all. That guy right there. You got some gingers over there. Got Meg and Paul Vines. Got a table way out yonder over there. Smiley the frog, he's gonna pay that bill.
I got my lederhosen. I got my lederhosen. Eric's getting his lederhosen. Eric's getting his lederhosen. He's coming to Germany. He's coming to Germany. He's going to get his lederhosen. He's going to get his lederhosen. I will make sure of that. I will make sure of that. That's a fact. Jack!
Yes, sir, Bob.
Talk about improv.
Whoever that is.
Whoever that is.
Germany.
Germany. Can you say
Germany. Can you say that?
Germany.
Germany.
Deutschland.
Duck is in
Dog and juice. Yes, Bob. You know who Bob is?
I have no idea.
I don't know. I don't either.
And that's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification so you can know when I have more material coming out in the future. Help us to continue to grow as a travel community. And as always, remember, live today, grow today, tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace! Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Please leave any comments below. I love to interact. Help us to continue to grow as a travel community.